Good morning everybody, it's day 36 of lockdown. Right, I'm out a lot earlier this morning, it's about 5:30, and the reason for that is a bit of a panic, well not so much a panic but a bit of a worry. When I placed the camera last night, when I went to go and place the camera last night, the little fence where I said I was going to put the camera on my fence post, the end where I thought the fox had gone round had been peeled round back on itself, as though somebody has either gone through the fence into that little bit of land, or somebody's come from that little bit of land out into the fields. They just pulled the fence back, rolled it back to get through. And I thought, is that something they do on a regular basis? And why is it open so late at night? So I didn't know whether they were still out for a walk with the dog and they were going to come back later after I'd placed the camera, or whether they go out really early morning. I just didn't know, I just wasn't sure. I was umming and ahhing whether to place the camera or not. I took the decision to place it. A bit of a risk, because anybody walking down that path would see it. Even at night it would trigger and the light would flash. So I'm coming earlier today just to see if it's still there and grab it before anybody gets up. So I'm just approaching him now. So I'm just going to turn you off for now. I'm going to go in, grab it and get out. Oh, it's still there. You see, the fence has been rolled back. Whew. Probably wasn't in any danger at all, but I just wasn't sure. Really relieved at that. All the bait's gone. That's good. Right, I can enjoy the rest of my walk now. Probably panicking over nothing. I've literally just seen somebody just left the camera site, come back into the field, and there's somebody on the opposite side of the field walking back the other way. I've sneakily gone down the side of the hedge and just peeked round the corner of a tree just to see if he went down towards that little fence, and he didn't. He's obviously just doing a circular. Just goes to show, doesn't it? You think you're out, you're the only one out early. Something's had a go there. It's like pigeon. Bird of prey. I'm out so early, it's too dark to film inside the wood. I've come back into the field. Just have a more leisurely mooch round. Just noticed a few spots of rain starting. It is forecast rain today. I'm actually looking forward to a bit of rain actually, because it might soften the ground up and I might be able to find some tracks one morning. That'd be nice to do. So last night's footage featured our Vixen once again. However, we did have another fox footage first. Take a look. So at first I thought she'd just come back with a really big rat, but the more I watched the video I noticed that the eyes of the victim were on the same side as the tail, so it certainly looked like she had 2 kills in her mouth there. So she wasn't going to go hungry last night, but that didn't stop her still trying to eat all the cocktail sausages and the nuts as well. So yeah, I was a little bit greedy, I thought. I must apologise if the evening's footage is a little bit shaky. That's because I'm not using the gimbal tonight, because it is raining and the gimbal's not very waterproof. So that's the reasons for that. So I do apologise, but I can't do anything about it. So I hope you enjoyed that. Something a little bit different this time, the fox with a kill or 2. If you did enjoy that, there's a couple more videos coming up, which you'll see over on this side here. So feel free to watch those. So don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel by clicking on the icon here or the one down below, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.